Hello everyone, Josiah here. Nagre-record ba? Hello everyone, Josiah here from Josiah's Tech, and today we will be taking photos and we'll be trying to vlog with the Redmi Note 11. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Let's talk about the Redmi Note 11. This has a 6.43 Full HD dot display with a processor of a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, a rear camera of 50 megapixels with 1.79 f, 8 megapixel ultrawide, 2 megapixel telemacro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with a 13 megapixel front-facing camera. This is the 6GB plus 128GB version with 5000 mAh of battery and 33 watts of fast charging. It's already compatible with 5G dual SIM connectivity and a Bluetooth 5.2. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for the front, and of course dual speakers for its audio. Let's now proceed to the photos. Hello everyone, Josiah here, and this is the audio quality of the Redmi Note 11, and I'm trying to vlog with this cell phone. So let me know in the comment section below. We have here the Redmi Note 11, and we're going to try out the camera application of this device. Okay, let's launch the application of this cell phone. We have here the Pro mode, where we can adjust the ISO, the brightness, the white balance, and we can also shoot videos. Pro mode. Going to the video, we have an ultra-wide, which is 0.6x, a 1x zoom, 2x, and up to 6x. Here in photo, it's the same. We have 0.6x, 1x zoom, and 2x, and we can shoot up to 10x. You can also set up HDR mode, which is I set up to HDR auto or HDR, or HDR is not enabled at all. We can also have our flash, our beauty mode. We can apply different filters, apply beauty mode to ourselves. We also have portrait, where we can adjust the focus or at least have a blurry background in our sides. So let's try to take a picture. There you go. You can also try front-facing camera for the portrait. And our 50 megapixel mini shooter, where we cannot adjust our zoom, but we can apply different filters. You can also add a flash to that if you want. And for our adjustments, we have a timer over here, and also adjust or add grid lines to our main camera. Forgot to tell you, but we can also adjust the aspect ratio of our camera, which is 3:4, 9:16, and full. There you go. And set a timer if you want to create selfies, and of course our movie frame if you want to shoot videos in this type of aspect ratio. There you go. And for videos, I totally forgot. I'm sorry for the arrangement, guys, but we can actually shoot in 720p in 30 frames per second and at 1080p for the 30 frames per second. So it's stuck with 30 frames per second when shooting videos. You also have a macro lens for shooting videos. There you go. Also, a macro lens for taking up pictures. And if we hit more or click more, we can have night mode, short videos, panorama, scan a document, slow motion, and of course time-lapse. And also adjust whatever we want to add in the main screen of the camera application. Just like this, it was previously added or placed in the more features, but I added the 50 megapixel shooter in the main screen of the camera. Now let's talk about the short video. Now, as we all know, when we shoot videos or pictures in our social media platforms or our social media applications, the quality of the video or the quality of the image is lower down if you are using an Android device unless you are using an iPhone. So what Xiaomi did is they integrated a short video feature in their device so that whenever we want to shoot short videos with 0.6x, 1x zoom, and 2x zoom, and with the features of slow motion, slow, regular, fast, and super fast speed, and even add music background to your videos, it's available over here. Then after we shoot it, we can actually, there you go, here's the video. We can actually put it directly or share it directly to our social media platforms like our feed, stories, here on TikTok, etc. Now, what about in our front-facing camera? Well, we can shoot up to 720p and 1080p with the 30 frames per second. And we can also try movie frame if you want. So, there you go. What about in photo? We can shoot in a 1:1 aspect ratio, 3:4 aspect ratio, 9:16, and a full. And of course, set a timer if you want. Movie frame is also available. And of course, palm shutter if you want to take selfies without using your hands. Like, just raise up your palm and it will automatically detect that you want to take a selfie. There you go. It does also come with a portrait mode if you want to blur out your background over here. And that's about it for the camera features of this device. And there you have it, guys. These are the main features of the Xiaomi Note 11 when using the camera application. If you want to learn more about this cell phone or this device, you can follow me on my social media platforms and I will gladly answer your questions in this device. Subscribe ka na rin if you're not yet a subscriber, and comment down if you want to have more topics like these. With that said, everyone, this is Josiah the Tech. See you on the next Tech Tip. Have a great day, everyone.